Hello, my friends. This is Teacher Rita. Teacher Rita 今天要讲的是另外一个 Shark in the Park 的故事。记得 Teacher Rita 之前有说过 Shark in the Park 这个有趣的故事吗？是不是印象很深刻呢？这一次这本是同系列的书，它的名字叫做 Shark in the Park on a Windy Day。On a windy day, what happens in the park? Let's find out. Shark in the park on a windy day. Ta-da! Oh, look. That's Timothy's telescope. It's a wild, windy day, and a certain small boy is out with his dad and his favorite toy. Ta-da! What is that? A telescope. And that's Timothy's daddy, Timothy. Timothy Pope tries looking through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way. But Tim doesn't care because this is what he sees. Tim knows that shape and he knows what to do, he shouts. Shark in the park! Can you shout that out too? Shark in the park! Eek! Oh, it isn't a shark that Timothy sees. It's a big black umbrella caught up in the breeze. Because it's so windy today, right? Timothy Pope looks again through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care because this is what he sees. Oh dear me, Tim has got no choice. He shouts, Shark in the park! At the top of his voice. Woof woof! What a relief. It isn't a shark. It's a big friendly dog with a big friendly bark. Woof woof! Not a shark. Timothy Pope has one last look through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care. Because this is what he sees. Timothy does what he knows he must. He shouts, Shark in the park! Till he's fit to bust. It isn't a shark that Timothy spied. Help! It's a runaway pram with a baby inside and is heading for the pound. Oh no! But Tim's dad runs fast. He grabs hold of the pram. The mother says, Thank you! Thank you! How grateful I am! Really, says Timothy's dad. You ought to thank Tim. He spotted your pram, so it's all down to him. That was exciting, says Tim. By the way, it's a good job there weren't any sharks here today. Quack, 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 quack. Oh! Look what the ducks have spotted. Oh. Is that a real shark? Maybe. Uh-oh. Oh, a shark! The end. 讲完了，是不是很有趣呢？小朋友们，下次去公园也可以带着你的 telescope. Look around and see if you can find any sharks. 同系列呢，另外一本 Teacher Rita 讲过的 Shark in the Park 在这边。下次 Teacher Rita 再跟你们说这本 Shark in the Dark 好吗？敬请期待哦，拜拜。